This is a supplement for taking tones to a darker value. Let's first apply our color to our scale. So I've selected orange, which is similar to the example. Paint bucket, continuous unchecked. Drop it in. Start my transition to tones. It should all look familiar at this point. Making sure to take it the whole way to gray. Now to adjust my value, switching the color window to grayscale slider. Let me pull this in so you can see it. So grayscale slider is our first option. Check the value of the first one. Now I'm going to make this an even transition. Let's go ahead and increase this 3%. So this one will be 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, and this one's going to be 72. So I'm going to start with the last one at 72. Let's move this over so you can see it. We've already picked here, so let's go ahead and adjust the lightness slider. Very similar to the constant one. We can see the value here. We've already checked it with the eyedropper tool to establish the value in the color window. We're going to darken it to 72. We can see the value now changed here. We watch the value change here. Hit OK. Pick our second square, bring our hue saturation tool back up. We check our initial value 45. We're doing a 3% change in value, so we want to go to 48. It's at 47. Just going to bump it up there just a little bit. So our next one here is 50. Again, it just needs a little bump. Next one's 53. It's already at 50, so again, just a little more of a bump. Next one's going to be 56. This will be 59. One will be 62. And remember, this is the nice part about having the hue saturation tool is we can see the changes of value here in the color window. So we can make these very precise changes. So this one's 65. This one is going to be 68. Our last one here should be 71. It's at 72, so I must have made a mistake at some point. I would go back and change this. Since this is only 1%, I would feel comfortable going ahead and lowering this just one here. And I could start over, but since this is gray, I'm not really sacrificing color there. And I'm going to cancel that because I didn't check the value. There we go. And it's not really a sacrifice of color since gray is just a value, so it's just adjusting the value. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.